The former ZANU-PF political commissar, MP and Minister Silvius Kasukwere, now a growing opposition voice, is rallying Zimbabweans to stand up against President Emmerson Mnangagwa's political agenda to extend his rule beyond 2028, second term constitutional limit 2030 or further. Zambira mashoko atinoti vakomana veG40 vana Kasukwere vopindira panhau iyi zvataona kuti aiwa Kasukwere haasisimo muthe regime ava kuvoisa as the opposition. Zambira mashoko amudanyirwa panapa muri subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipinda panapa the news box amudanyira achiti Kasukwere says Zimbabweans should urgently unite and resist Mnangagwa's 2030 plan because it is clearly about state capture, self-aggrandizement, and consolidation of power for self-serving ends, not solving the country's multi-faceted problems and the people. Mnangagwa's military coup project and the now planned constitutional coup are merely perpetuating his hold on power, looting of public resources and corruption, instead of resolving political, economic and social challenges which have dogged the country for decades now. In a damning commentary on Mnangagwa's to use parliament to postpone elections and extend his tenure for up to 5 years, Kasukwere said, Zimbabwe finds itself entering another year under the shadow of a deepening political crisis. The spectre of constitutional amendments aimed at extending President Edi Mnangagwa's tenure beyond its legally stipulated limits loom ominously. Tomashoko anobuda achitogwa panapa naSilvius Kasukwere achiti aiwa this move it must be condemned. Tinoda kuti aiwa zviri kuviolata, zviri kuunza nhamo semashoko atinoti akabudidzwa pamwechete naAdvocate Nshamisa vachidescribe aiwa this move achiti hakuna zvinhu zvakadai, so hakuna the term extension inoda kuti ichiprolonga aiwa chaos nekutambura munyika yeZimbabwe. Tidze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechirwere ichi? Muda kume section medu musaona subscribe or like chitoona bell icon.